It's story time with Nana. Today's story is Sea Sums, written by Joy M. Holm. In an underwater grotto, where the sea is warm and blue, there are creatures to be counted, in every shape and hue. We'll have a great adventure, an encounter face to face, while we're adding and subtracting in this coral reefy place. A giant clamshell opens up to let its mantle spread in brilliant purples, greens, and blues down on the ocean bed. One siphon sucks in briny brew, one siphon spouts it out, two siphons pump seawater through while food is filtered out. One siphon plus one siphon equals two siphons. Two triggerfish may choose to dine on fresh cracked crabs at supper time. If one eats three and one eats two, 5 crabs will disappear from view, 'cause triggerfish, each time they eat, must grind up shells as well as meat. Then afterwards they'll swim away to look for other kinds of prey. 3 crabs plus 2 crabs equals 5 crabs. When foes approach to surgeon fish, 4 scallops pop up with a swish to stab an enemy that might decide to try to take a bite. But when the coast is clear of foes, the blaze can just as quickly close, and then those surgeons swim away, no weapons showing as they play. 4 scallops minus 4 scallops equals 0 scallops. 2 spiny, spiky urchins come creeping from a cave. 3 others rest next to the reef, where they just point and wave. But if one more moved into view, then 6 would be the sum. Numbers just keep adding up when other urchins come. 2 urchins plus 3 urchins plus 1 urchin equals 6 urchins. 3 purple pipes are pumping some sea stew through their pores. 4 yellow tubes sip dinner through hollow corridors. 2 vases sway in ocean broth and soak their supper up. 9 sponges drink in nourishment without a glass or cup. 3 sponges plus 4 sponges plus 2 sponges equal 9 sponges. 1 lionfish is bristling with pointed poison spines. 2 others flutter from a cove like feathered porcupines. Around their faces, frilly fins spread like a lion's mane. When one swims off to find some food, 2 fluffy fish remain. 1 lionfish plus 2 lionfish minus 1 lionfish equals 2 lionfish. A booby swoops through a lagoon and gulps a 6-fish meal, then surfaces to fly away with 2 more in its bill. A frigate makes a snack attack and grabs those 2 away, so the booby only gets the 6 it swallowed in the bay. 6 fish plus 2 fish minus 2 fish equals 6 fish. Coral polyps spread their rings of tentacles below. 10 are golden, 10 are green, and 10 are white like snow. But when an embedding tide retreats, exposing them to air, 30 circles close up tight and show no fringes there. 10 polyps plus 10 polyps plus 10 polyps equal 30 polyps. 2 barnacles inside their shells stand on their heads to eat, as 24 fine feathered legs kick in a seafood treat. But when one pulls its legs inside and shuts its 2-part lid, 12 legs will stay to swing and sway, while 12 are safely hid. 24 legs minus 12 legs equals 12 legs. A stingray digs two sandy clams down on the ocean floor, then plows around until it finds 1, 2, 3, 4 more. It chews 3 clams for breakfast and crunches 3 for brunch, so all the clams are gobbled up and none are left for lunch. 2 clams plus 4 clams minus 3 clams minus 3 clams equals 0 clams. We haven't yet begun to count a fraction of the full amount of ocean animals that grow in coral caverns down below. In underwater grottos, numbers seldom stay the same. Adding and subtracting is a never-ending game.